Hi, I'm Vivin Arana. I've been doing iOS development for last 12 years or so and worked with every single operating system and have made a lot of tutorials on these. And now we have iOS 14. It will be out soon in the public and we would want to make sure that we know all the features that are available and what all we can use in our app and have our app ready for production. So iOS 14 preview shows a lot of cool new things that are out, like for example, the app clips, which has subset of your app, main app outside. So users can actually look at the app clip and see what all features you have, and then accordingly download the app if they want to, or just use it for trial version, or maybe more like to understand how your app can help them, or just use for a quick use, like for example, while checking into an airplane or while buying groceries or different places. At the same time, we have widgets which can be available in different sizes, which can give updates to the user based on what they're doing. Then we have a lot of new features. We have app libraries that are available, and we'll be looking mostly on the app clips and widgets because they are pretty new and they have a lot of things to offer. There's a lot of different things that are available. You can the look at their website here and then see what all different tools are available for you and what you want to add to your application. For your for downloading the tools, what you have to do is you have to go to Apple Developer Tools, click on Download Tools. You have Xcode 12 Beta 5 currently. Today is August 23rd, and that's what is available right now. And soon we will have a better version available, and finally the production version available soon. I'm going to download it from here. It's going to take some time, so relax and sit back. So once the Xcode download is complete, just go to where you downloaded it, unzip the folder. It will try to verify if you have enough space or the zip is properly downloaded. So give it a couple of minutes. It will try to unzip the zip file. So once Xcode is completely unarchived, it will kind of have the Xcode beta version here, and you can move it anywhere you want. I probably want to move it in applications, but it's up to you where you want to do it. And then once you have it at a place where you have it, you just go and click on it and it should open. And it will take a little bit time the first time you open it. It'll ask you to install some additional components which belong to Xcode 12. So I'll go ahead and do that. So once the components are installed, Xcode is available. So once it's installed, you can go ahead and create a new project, and you'll see there's not much difference in Xcode, but the way, like if I go to app, and you'll see nothing new here, but if I go next, you'll probably see we have a lifecycle which has UI kit, and it should also have, if you select Swift UI, it will have Swift UI app lifecycle and Swift. So the only difference between that is, let me just go ahead and do a storyboard. I'll call it old app and select the things, unselect the tests. Next, save it to my desktop. Okay, and once it's there, you'll probably see the project. Open the project, you'll see the same thing that we had before in 11, scene app. But if you do a new project with Swift UI and Swift UI lifecycle, and then save it here, what you will see is there is not much code here. Whatever is not required is all gone from here. Can get rid of the canvas right now, but if you'll see that you have just your app, which actually creates a Swift app from inherited from app, and then just says that create a window group and show content view inside it, which is nothing but hello world on top of it. So it keeps it pretty simple and easy than what we had so many methods before. So populating all those methods before, which we would get rid of anyways because we would not use them. So that's what this does. There's all the assets, preview our content assets, products, same things that before. If you look at this, not much has changed. If you're familiar with the previous version, you know what we are doing here. So that's how you get your system set up, have your uh, app simulators available, and then we'll look at how to use widgets and lifecycle in the next section. If you like this video and you'd want to support us and want more from us for iOS 14 and similar projects, just leave your comments below and also subscribe and like this video, so which will help us to support and create more videos.